Hi everyone, welcome back. Today in this video we're reviewing a new AI tool. It's called Granola AI. This is one of the best AI note taker app or function. You can download it to your desktop and it's take all notes automatically. Click on download and it starts download it to my desktop. Now when download it's finished, here are let's get started. Let's answer on this question and choose the consulting interview. Click continue and click continue. Click on open app. Now we are inside on Corolla AI. This is for meetings, for interview, for you can use it. Just click on here and I will show how it's work. Now when you start your call or your meetings, Corolla AI will write all the notes automatically. This the call and this where you see all the notes. Click generate notes and here Corolla AI will give me all notes from this video or Apple video. You see this? You can use it for free, but have a limited plan if you have a lot of interviews or meetings. Here are all the notes. That's it in this video. Subscribe for more AI tool review and see you the next one.